Hey, welcome back everybody. Guess what? It's done. Here we go. Here's going to be the first test. See that? There we go. Well, shut the door so I can reach the switch. Alright, you ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. Up. Window is up. Window is going down. Awesome. Awesome. Now that window's so dirty. I don't know if you can see it, but there's my stupid handprints all over the place. I just wanted to show you. If I can do it, you can do it. I want to show you the part that was broken. Okay, the part that was broken on mine was right here. Okay, and this is right where the cables go inside. If you flip this over, you can see that. Yeah, one goes in here and the wire goes this way, and the other one, this piece here would be on this side, and the other piece is somewhere, I don't know where. I probably need to find that before I get too deep into putting it all back together, but that's what broke. And it got all caught on the down in here, and when it was coming down, the reason why it just got stuck and wouldn't do anything, well, there is a connector right here. Well, there was a connector. Had to break it off because the cable was coming straight down over it, and there was absolutely no slack. I didn't really want to just take this part, this piece apart right here, but I just smacked that thing because it was no good anyway. It was already bent back pretty bad and it wasn't going to be usable. But this piece may be usable again. I don't know. But I found out where that other piece went. Okay, now here's that. This is that one piece right here that I was like, oh no, I don't know where it went. And that was the only one piece that I took off that I didn't have to. So, chew on that, monkey wrench Mike. Come on, Mike. We gotta have some kind of competition. You said you gotta paint your car. I still have to paint my hood and bumper. So maybe we can do some kind of paint off or something. I don't know. I've never painted before. I'm not really looking forward to doing that. But if you want to do, like, say, some kind of competition with the headliner, or taking out the front ABC hydraulic block, I don't know. Let me know. Or not. But thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I get paid absolutely nothing, but I love seeing that people are watching my videos. It's awesome. It makes my day. I am in your living room. That's right, your living room. Or on the phone, or wherever you're at. But you know what? It makes me feel good knowing I'm actually helping people. So, there you go. Here she is, all done. You can see all the dirt. Alright, I gotta start putting this all back together before I forget exactly how it all goes back together. So, until then, keep those motors running.